Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm so glad to welcome back for this episode David Terk, who is an expert in special needs planning. David always knew he wanted to do work that would result in changing people's lives for the better, and special needs planning certainly fit that description. David enjoys the challenge of helping people maximize and protect the benefits they're entitled to, and is passionate about helping families create a secure future for all their loved ones. He is a highly sought-after speaker on the many subjects and issues that affect the special needs community, and provides comprehensive planning services through his firm, Serenitas Special Needs Planning. He holds a BA from Tulane University and an MBA from Pepperdine University. David, welcome. So happy to have you back today.
Nice to be back, Gilda. Thank you.
And today we're going to talk about something called the Disabled Military Child Protection Act. Can you tell me a little bit about what that is and what the benefits are for the people that it specifically concerns?
Certainly. So prior to December of 2014, a disabled child of a military veteran had a very difficult situation in that a choice had to be made whether to receive the parent's pension through the military or receive Social Security benefits, but both could not be done. The pension required that a pension be paid to a, quote, person, and the Department of Defense determined that a person is not a special needs trust, and so there was no ability to direct pension benefits to a child's special needs trust. If it went directly to them, it would be considered income and jeopardize their eligibility for SSI benefits. So in comes, in 2014, the Disabled Military Child Protection Act, which fixes that problem and allows a military veteran to direct their pension benefits to the Special Needs Trust, allowing those assets to be preserved and utilized supplementally to the government benefits which the child will now be eligible for. So this allows government benefit pension that has income as well as healthcare benefits, as well as SSI and the Medi-Cal benefits that come with that.
So according to this act now, a disabled child is able to receive both without one conflicting with the other.
It is. It solves this problem. There are a lot of details in how a military veteran they have a lot of choices as to how they receive the pension. But with a disabled child, you are able to maintain benefits for the child's lifetime. And what that does is it just slightly reduces the benefit coming to the parent as well.
And if somebody wants to, would qualify for something like this and wants to know more about it, what agency would they contact to find out about this particular act, to find out about how to apply or how to put the right process in place in order to assure that they receive what they're entitled to?
Really, it's just a matter of applying for your pension and making sure that the beneficiary designation is not going directly to your child, but is going to the special needs trust set up for their behalf. There's nothing else special that needs to be done. It's simply a matter of filling it out properly on the form. But this is really important that those funds go to a special needs trust and not to the child directly.
Right, because that is the thing that ensures that they will also still continue to be eligible for their Social Security benefits.
Exactly.
Okay. Well, that is incredibly important to know. I'm sure that there are many, many families who were affected by this, as you say, prior to 2014, that now have the opportunity to have both of these benefits preserved and insured for their child, which is huge. So thank you so much, David, for this very important bit of information, and I'm looking forward to your overview of government benefits such as Social Security and Medicaid in another segment that we're going to do. Is there anything else that you would like to add concerning this before we end for this particular topic?
No, we have covered it all. Sometimes it's just short and sweet.
Okay, very good. Well, I want to thank you so much again, and I also want to thank our listeners for spending part of their day with us. I'm Gilda Evans. Take care of yourself and that special person in your life.